Hello, everybody. Today, we're going to be talking about an effective trading strategy everybody could use to make a huge profit, long term or short term. Really depends on three factors we're going to be discussing right now. So, let's start with number one. The number one factor you should consider when trading is, are you a long term trader or a short term trader? If you could decide between the two, you could have more returns than you could possibly believe. And the best benefit of you knowing this is that you're gonna change your strategy from technical analysis to fundamental analysis. So the first one is just simply knowing if you're a long term or a short term investor. Then when we go on to the second part, it's all about diversifying. As you all know, allocating your assets into different baskets is the best way to make money, because inflation and deflation might hit, and you managing that risk can actually make you a substantial amount of money. For example, let's say, uh, let's say you have options, commodities like gold and stuff like that, currency pairs, stocks, bonds, treasury funds, even real estate trust funds for commercial revenue. Different types of assets you could possibly divide your assets through to make a substantial amount of money. So that is it. The first one is long term, figuring yourself out as a long term or short term investor. Then it's diversifying your asset into different factors so you can manage your risks better. And the third one is simply figuring out the strategy you use to make money and sticking to it, because in most cases of long-term investing, if you are not settled with the investing strategy you have, you're not going to be able to make money because you're withdrawing money every time you lose it. So some people might be a buy side investors, meaning they focus on buying stocks and appreciating value. Other people focus on the sell side investing, and that is the people that focus on the sell side of investing, shorting stocks. So that's about it. Just long and just figuring yourself out as a long term or short term investor, diversifying your assets, and number three is just simply having a strategy. And that is it for today. Hope you enjoyed the show, and I hope you learned something about this video right here. And comment anything you want to be made in the future. Like, subscribe, share it with anybody who